Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8. Want to tell you about our project from our engineering idea in Receptive Written Language Skills course. And I am going to introduce you our members. They are Tiara Anissa Putri Nasution, Wafiesta Naira Evel Palari, and myself, Stefani Fadila. Let's just get started. And these are the common problems that we as a student usually have in reading skills. These are the first one is losing your focus. How many times have you been reading a passage and realized halfway through that you have no idea what you have just read? Instead of paying attention to the text, you are thinking about what you are going to do later, what some friend said, or why you have to take stupid CAT. This wastes time and energy and makes comprehension impossible. And the second problem is learners that have or had weak oral language skills when they were in preschool. It happens a lot to children since they were child and they didn't have enough lesson in reading. And this is something that should be fixed as soon as possible because this is an essential part for children to grow up and know a lot about literature because literature is needed for children. And the last problems for reading skills is poor comprehension. There's a lot going on in reading, from letter and word recognition to understanding meaning at the phrase, sentence, and paragraph level. When a beginner reader encounters vocabulary they do not know or do not recognize due to inaccurate decoding, they are likely to skip ahead. The more blanks in a line of text, the harder it is to make meaning and the more cognitively challenging and frustrating the reading task becomes. That's why poor comprehension can result when a student struggles with decoding, has a limited vocabulary, or attempts to read a text that is at too high of a level. I think that's all the problems, and we are going to move to the solution that will be that will be told by my friend Wafiesta Naira Eiffel Palari.
Solutions. There are also solutions in reading skills, and we have to make sure that reading skills is increased for students. First, if changing the background color is helpful when reading, these students will probably benefit from changing the background when typing. On a Mac computer using Microsoft Word, this can be completed by selecting the Format drop-down menu and then choosing Background. Here, other background colors can be selected. Please note that the background will not be impacted when printing documents. On a PC, this can be done by choosing page layout and then page color. Second, locate some jokes on the internet or in a book. Review each joke and discuss what makes it amusing. Talk about words that have double meanings and make a list of as many words that you can think of that have multiple meanings. Lastly, suggest that the learner makes his or her own joke book. And third, discuss reading comprehension. Writing a one-page handout detailing your ideas about reading comprehension and why it's important can be helpful. You can include your ideas about subjects such as taking notes, setting goals, and asking questions. Additionally, connect the importance of improving reading comprehension to something practical and relevant to them like texting, emails, and blogs. Share these written thoughts with your learners and use the handout as a reminder throughout the school year.
Conclusion. Reading can make you become a better reader and speaker. Reading skills can take you a step ahead and help you achieve your objectives by customizing the way you read. We already explained common solutions to overcoming students' problems in reading comprehension. There are: 1. Black text on a white background can be visually uncomfortable for many children, as the contrast can make the letters appear to move or vibrate. 2. Similarly, if changing the background color is helpful when reading, These students will probably benefit from changing the background when typing. 3. Pleasure games with words and letters that are confusing. 4. Locate some jokes on the internet or in a book. 5. Integrate tactile and kinesthetic modalities into lessons to make them enjoyable and memorable. 6. Read aloud or utilize books on tape. 7. Discuss reading comprehension. 8. Practice what you preach. Hopefully, with that solution, students can survive and learn more in reading comprehension so that students will become a good writer and speaker.
Alright, guys, I think that's all our presentation and explanation about our project in Receptive Written Language Skills course. And we are very sorry about the mistakes because we are still on learning process, and we just hope this project will be useful for us. And I just want to say thank you for everything and stay safe, stay healthy. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.